Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to set up a passkey in crypto.com. So a passkey is a new passwordless way to log in into your account. Instead of typing your password every time, it uses your device's built-in security features like Face ID, Touch ID or Windows Hello to confirm it's really you. So it's much faster, more secure and eliminates the risk of phishing or password leaks. So on the top left, click on three lines. In here you'll be dropped into your settings. After that you scroll all the way down into settings. After that, from here you click on security and privacy. And in here, as you can see, we have a tab right after two-factor authentication, which is passkeys. Click on it. And as you can see, what do we have here? What do we benefit from it? So extra convenience, enhanced security and easy sync. So let's start setting it up. I hope the recording will be available here and you will actually see. Press on continue. Alright, and in here, as you can see in the password manager, it's asking us if we want to create a passkey for crypto.com. So of course, let us press continue. Alright, as you can see, we have created our passkey, which is great. We have our first one. Also, you can create some more if you wish. And also, guys, if you're looking to start quickly and easily on crypto.com, we have a really awesome affiliate link for you to get started quickly in the video description, so be sure to check it out. And when we click on three dots, as you can see, we have either the ability to delete the passkey or edit the name for it. So there you go, guys. Now your passkey is set up. Enjoy. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.